Hey everyone, we're back in the garage today. We got a bit of an update, some work that we're doing today. If you couldn't tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, we're gonna put some more lights in. We've got a couple lights here in the garage already. So this is the natural yellow that comes with the lights that are on the switch on the wall. We went ahead and hung up these two sets of lights, and it really made a big difference. You know, the room is a lot more bright now and you can see a lot better, but I wanted a little bit more, so we went ahead and got another 4-pack of these lights. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be hanging these up and seeing how we can make this even better. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and enjoy this video. All right, so we've got this set of 4 lights that we're gonna be opening today. I've got some stats over here. I'll put them on the screen as well. It says shop light, 1.2 meters, 4 foot, 40 watts, 5,000 K lights. There's 4 of them, net weight, 1.4 kilograms. And yeah, we're gonna get these hung up. So let's go ahead and open them. And here we go. So go ahead and just rip this open. Put the blades away, safety. And yeah, they're basic little sets. Do they have mounting hardware included? Yes, looks like they do. So we're gonna get that hung up. I'm gonna open this. All right, so as you can see, they gave us a little bit of instructions we're gonna follow, maybe, maybe not, and this little baggie of hardware. The overall quality of the light seems to be pretty good. It's a nice bit of plastic LED lights, and it's got these nice little slots right here for the mounting hardware to slide into. So let's go and get these up.
How'd you know there's nothing there?
What?
How'd you know there's nothing there?
I don't know.
You just
Yellow.
Oh, is that one of those inner things so it doesn't fall out?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Nothing there either. So I've got the chains right over here. They seem to hook in right on the edge, just like that. Put on the other hook, just like that. Going to hang this side, and hopefully maybe we can reach over here without having to move the ladder. We'll try this out now, kids. Okay, nice. So we've got that one hung right there. So I've got the plug right up here like I was telling you about. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. I know you can't really see that, but wow. Not too bad. I don't think it's as bright as this other light, but it definitely helps. Let's do a little bit of YouTube magic, and I'll go ahead and do the snappy fingers thing, and we'll see what happens whenever it looks, or see what it looks like whenever we got the rest of them up. So, all right, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, and that's a bit of the YouTube magic. So I think it looks a lot better in here. Now we've got 4 lights, or 4 additional lights. Now we've got a total of 6 lights in here instead of the 2 that we originally had. We need to do a little bit of work around this cable management. We'll figure it out at some point. I had some extra hooks. I was able to hang up some of those cables over there, but the others were pretty taut as they came from their side to get down over here. I can reach the lights right here with this little switch. So that makes it better than having to turn up or turn on all of these individually. So like that, much better than the setup before. Yeah, so pretty quick little video today. Just wanted to get these hung up and show you guys how I did it. It was cheap lights off of Amazon. If I can find the order link, I'll throw it in here somewhere. But if you want to check them out for yourself, if you really do want to help support, please make sure you like and subscribe. It does help a lot. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure what's going to be happening in here, but I'm sure we'll find something to do, and it'll be fun. And stay tuned. Bye.